Good morning class, third chapter number 2, parts of a plant. Student, in previous lecture we have discussed structure of a leaf and function of the leaf. Student, in this lecture we will discuss flowers. Student, you know flowers are of different shapes, sizes and colors, and most flowers grow into fruits. So what is the function of the flower? Yes student, first of all it makes the plant beautiful, and it also help in produce seed also. So there are the two types of the flower. There are two flowers. Okay, one is, name the flower. This is the sunflower. And which flower of this? Yes, this is lotus. Okay student, how are they different from each other? Sunflower and lotus. What is the difference between sunflower and lotus? Yes student, this sunflower, it is a terrestrial plant. It means terrestrial means it found on land and it grow on land. And lotus, it is a aquatic plant and it grow in water. It is a water plant and it is a terrestrial plant. Now student, we will discuss fruits and seed. Student, we eat fruits of many plants, and fruits are formed from the flowers, you know. And you know most fruits have seeds inside them. And what is the function of the fruit? Fruits make the new plant. And you know some fruits have only one seed, some have more than one seed, several seeds also. So you know seeds are protected inside the fruits. So there is a two fruits are there. Mango only has a one seed, and watermelon with many seeds. So there are the another example like cherry, peach have only one seed. And if we talk about apple, orange, papaya have many seeds. And you know pineapple has no seeds. So student, we eat seeds like rice, rajma, beans, peas, lentils and cumin seed also, and they are edible seed. Edible seed means which we eat. And student, you know seeds are of the different shapes, size and colors, and we eat edible seed, different types of the seeds, rice also, rajma also, gram also, corn also. So these seeds are called edible seeds. And new plants grow mostly from the seeds. Every seed has a new plant, new baby plant inside it, and seed store food for the baby plant. Okay, now student, we will discuss the next topic is stem. Yes, what is the function of the stem? Okay student, it support the plants, and you know it transport water from the roots to the leaves, and it also carry food prepared by the leaves to the different parts of plant. So what is the first function? First of all, it transport water from the roots to the leaves. Second function, it carry food prepared by the leaves to the different parts of plant. And third function, it keep the plants upright and next give support to them. And you know student, stem also bear leaves, buds, flowers and fruits. And in some plant, stem also store food and eaten by us. So you can see here that there is a diagram also, and we have discussed earlier. So what is the function of the stem? It support the plant and it transport water from the roots to the leaves. It also carry food prepared by leaves to the different parts of plant, and it keeps the plant upright. And you can say that stem is a main part of a shoot. Why it is a main part of the shoot? because it bear leaves, buds, flower and fruits. And different plants have the different types of the stem. Different plants have the different types of stem. If we talk about tree, for example neem, shisham, they have the hard thick woody stem. And trees, hard woody stem are called trunk. So stem of tree are called trunk. And if we talk about what is the function of this trunk, this trunk keeps the tree upright. Have you seen mango tree? Okay, so the stem of the mango tree is called trunk. Why? Because this is very hard, thick and woody. And I think you have seen banana plant also. So what about the stem of the banana? Okay, banana has a soft and green stem. And what about the watermelon and money plant? They have support to grow. Why? Because they have very soft and weak stem. Such plants either require a support to grow, and this type of the plants are called climber because they need support to grow. Watermelon and money plant, and bitter gourd also, green gourd also. And if we talk about the watermelon, this is a very heavy fruit. In summer season you are eating, and this is very heavy fruit. And watermelon is a creeper. They do not grow upright, they grow along the ground. Creeper, they are creeper. So money plant is a climber and watermelon is a creeper because their stem are very soft and weak stem. Okay student, I think you have understand this stem. What is the function of the stem? Stem support water from the roots to the leaves and also carry food prepared by the leaves to the different parts of the plant. So okay, and it holds the plant upright also. So I hope you understand student. Okay students, take care, bye.